Hello everyone, welcome to the Next Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, thank you for clicking and welcome. My returnees too, welcome. Thank you so much for coming back. Let's get started. On my previous video, I said I was going to start you off with a vest and a shirt. But you don't have to get the same pattern. It could be any company so far as it's a vest and a shirt. My vest is reversible. Okay, you can get reversible or you can just get a single one pattern. Okay, now this is the vest that I've made out of this pattern. But anyway, it's Simplicity 9862. Simplicity 9862. Okay, and this is size 18. As I said, most of my samples will be all for my mannequin instead of me. Okay, and this is the vest, as I said, and this is the other fabric. Okay. It's reversible, so, and this is the back. This is the back. Okay, this is the back. Now let's move on to the pattern pieces itself. I've cut them all out already, so I'll walk you through and then how I do put my pieces to go to the machine to sew. So I see you in a bit. Okay, thanks. Now let's continue. Please, when you take your pattern pieces from the envelope, iron it. Iron your pattern, dry iron. Okay, iron it to take all the wrinkles out. And then just like we did the top bodies and the skirt, the same way when you find out your size, you put your patterns on your fabric lengthwise on your grain line. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to put the pieces together. As I said, you don't have to get the same pattern. You can get any company so far as it's reversible vest, because that's what I'm working on now. So you take your, oh, don't forget your notches. It's very important. Okay, don't forget your notches. The back is on fold. Mine has 2-piece back, 2-piece front, and as I say, it's reversible. So before I go to the machine to sew, I'll show you what I do. It makes it straight, faster and straightforward. So I open up. This is the right side. So I put one side of the oh, how come I can't open this thing? Okay, because it's reversible, I have 2 linings of the back and I have 2 on the front. Yeah, so that's it. There we go. And then this one on this one. So this is the back, one of the back. And it has the princess line. Okay, so I pin it this way. And then I go sew. So that's the first one of the back. And this is the second one at the back. There we go. And as I said, don't forget your notches. Now let's do the front. The front princess line. And this is my front. These are the fabric I use. Two types of fabric that I use. This one and this one. It's reversible. And this is the other side, center front, where the buttons goes, center front. So let's go this one too. There we go. And then this one here. Okay. So this is where I have to join. And that's the other side. And then I do the same for the other piece. So I see you later. After I stitch it, I'll show it to you. Okay, I'm back. Now, follow your pattern. Follow your pattern, what it says. Okay, this is my back. Okay, and make sure you open your seams, you iron your seams, you match your notches. I did the shoulders and all that. And there we go. There we go. Now I'm gonna turn the right side out, and mine is from the side, because the side isn't sewn, so it's from the side that I had to turn it right side out from the shoulder all the way. I had to pull it out. Do it. There we go. One side is done. There we go. There we go. So as I said, follow your pattern, what it says for you, how to finish it and turn the right side out. So this is mine, and I'm going to finish the ends, the side seam. Going to finish the side seam. I'm all over the place. There we go. I'm going to finish the side seams. These are my side seams. And then I put the buttons and buttonholes on, then I'm all done. Okay, as I said, follow your pattern instructions and then finish it up. So I'll see you back later when I'm all done. Okay, see ya.